is all. Dear friends, all friends, respected speaker of the seminar, let us express our gratitude to the presence of God Almighty, because by His grace and blessing, we can gather in this place in a healthy state. To attend the seminar entitled seminar is the cell as the basic unit of life. Next, we will enter the core of the event, namely the presentation of the material that will be delivered by our research person today, namely Aulia Hanifa. With the theme, the cell as the basic unit of life. To those who are honorable, we invite you.
Title: The cell as the basic of life. Biology is the science that studies life and living organisms, along with the process that occur with them. One of the most important aspects of biology is the study of the cell, which is the small, structure, and functional unit of our life thing. A living organism from unicellular bacteria complex multicellular human are made of cell. Therefore, understanding the cell is key to understanding life itself. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke when he observed a thin slice under a simple microscope. Science that discovered knowledge about cell has development rapidly. Cell can be divided into two main types: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are found in the simple organisms such as bacteria and do not have a true nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are found in the plant, Animalia, Fungi, and Plantis, and have nucleus enclosed by a membrane. Each cell contains essential parts with specific function. The cell membrane regulates the entry and exit of substance. The cytoplasm is a fluid where various cell organelles are located. Organelles such mitochondria produce energy, ribosome synthesize protein, the endoplasm, reticulum, and Golgi apparatus process and transport substance within the cell. And lysosome decays protein material. Inside the nucleus is DNA, the genetic material that controls cell growth, development, and function. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall that maintains and protects the cell. They also contain the chloroplast organelle with chlorophyll that play a role in photosynthesis. In contrast, animal cells do not have a cell wall or chloroplast, but they do have contrioles that function in cell division. Cell also the ability to divide, whether for growth, tissue repair, or reproduction. Two common types of cell division are mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis produces two identical daughter cells, while meiosis results in 4 cells with half the number of chromosomes, which is important in the formation of reproductive cells. By understanding the structure and function of cell, scientists can explain various life processes such as metabolism, reproduction, and inheritance. This knowledge also forms the foundation for phylogenetic medicine, biotechnology, and genetic engineering. Therefore, the cell is called the foundation of life, as all biological processes begin with cellular activity.
Okay, thank you for the very interesting material. Next, we will enter the question and answer session. To friends who want to ask, please raise your hand. sister is welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Question for me. What are the difference between plant cell and animal cell?
Okay, thank you, Natasha. Well, let's go back to
Plant cell and animal cell share many similarities because they are both eukaryotic, but they also have some important difference. Plant cells have a cell wall made of cellulose that give them a rigid structure. Additionally, centrioles, which are involved in cell division, are present in animal cells but usually not in plant cells. Baik, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Olia. How about Natasha? Are you understand?
Okay, I can understand.
Okay, two friends who want to ask this, raise your hand. The sister is welcome.
Okay. How does the knowledge of self benefit studies on and society?
Okay, thank you, Puja. Well, let's go back to Olia to answer the question.
Understanding cell has greatly advanced science and technology. In medicine, it helps scientists development, treatment, and vaccine by studying how cells work, how diseases like cancer begin, and how the immune system responds. Understanding cell has greatly advanced science and technology. In medicine, it helps scientists development, treatment, and vaccine by studying how cells work, how diseases like cancer begin, and how the immune system responds. In the biotechnology, cells are used to produce medicine like insulin and vaccine, and to create genetical modification organisms that improve food production. In agriculture, knowledge of plant cells allow the development of crops that are more resistant to disease and harsh environment. Cell research also contribute to genetic engineering, helping solve genetic disorder and improving overall health. These benefits show how cell biology is essential for innovation and improving human life. Baik, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Olia. How about Puja? Are you understand?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Okay. Two friends who want to ask, please raise your hand. The sister is welcome.
Okay, I will the question for you. When is the cell considered the foundation of life?
Okay, thank you, Najwa. Well, let's go back to Ulia to answer the question.
The cell is considered the foundation of life because it is small unit that can carry out all the process necessary for life. All living things are made up of cell and everything that happens in organisms, like breathing, digesting, growing, and reproduction. Start at the cellular level. The cell theory says all living organisms are composite of cells and also come from pre-existing cells. Inside cell, vital processes like energy production, protein synthesis, and genetic inheritance occur. Because of this, cells are not only the building block of life, but the place where life happens. Baik, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Ulia. How about Najwa? Are you understand?
Okay, thank you, Hani. I understand.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's all the material exposure today. Thanks to friends who have spared their time this afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.